Okay, here's our tater tosser, and made this today, and yeah, it's pretty cool. We just gotta load the potato in the top and ram it down. It's a potato cannon. Awesome.
The local
That's
powder
good.
monkey is at work.
Yeah, and yeah, you gotta put the nice spray deodorant in there.
Yep.
Got to screw it on. Yeah.
Do 3, 2, 1 count.
Yep.
Loud.
3.
3, 2, 1.
Darn!
Oh,
Almost made it to the
almost
other
made it to the other side.
We want to see
Yep.
a splatter on the other side.
That's our potato blast. Potato, or it's a tater tosser. There we
Potato
go.
cannon. It's a
Yeah,
cannon.
it's a potato cannon.
Or a spud gun.
Yep, there we go.